Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's been a few months. I've just been out of it for a while, but today we are going to pick up some new wheels for the Integra. That is right, I'm getting some new wheels for the Integra. The tires are kind of getting bad. I need new tires, and I was just Facebook browsing at midnight last night and found a great deal on some wheels and tires that are only 2 months old. So we're going to head up to McMinnville, about a 2-hour drive. So let's go. Made it up to McMinnville, just waiting for the guy to get home. He's to be home in about 15 minutes. Just kind of sitting here waiting, and then I'll head over. I'm really excited for these wheels. The real JDM wheels. I think they'll look great on the Integra. I'll give you one little hint. They are bronze, so it's a color that I love to run. The bronze and white looks good. I like the HX wheels, but I couldn't pass up this deal. So we'll be getting those wheels here pretty soon, and I'll show you. Wheels acquired. Well, about half an hour till home, and yep, ran over a small piece of wood in the road. So time to change out the tire. Made it back home. Time to get the Civic out of the garage, and I can finally show you the wheels. So let's get this thing out on the street and pull the Integra in. So here they are. My Mugen MF10s. Look at that, JDM. Of course, they're reps. Everyone knows that. These are Rota's Circuit 10s. I got for a hell of a deal. I couldn't pass it up. I needed tires for the Integra. Tires was going to cost me anywhere around $340 to $400 for the tires I get for the daily, and I got these, all 4 new tires, 2 months old, set up for $350, plus my old subs that have been sitting in the garage for a few years. So I'm super excited to have these wheels. They're 15-inch, so they're bigger than the ones I have on here. I just have the HXs. If you're new to the channel. So let's get these wheels on and see how they look. wheels on. Super excited how it looks. I think the 15s look great on it. This is what I've always pictured even before I got Integra. This is how I want to look. So here you go. And here they are, 15-inch Rota Circa 10s in the bronze. They're on 205/50 tires. I think the fitment's pretty good. I mean, I'm no fitment expert at all, but I left the 5mm spacer on the front here, the ones that you have to run with HX wheels, and the back doesn't have any. But I think I'm going to order some 5mm for the back. One last look. Let me know what you guys think about the Rota Circa 10s down in the comments below. I think they look great. I know Rota gets a bad rap for being rep wheels, but for $350 for wheels and tires, it's a thumbs up in my book. Also, let me know what kind of wheels you're running on your car. Comment that down below, and let's just start chatting away. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time, peace out. So like I said, I found these wheels for a really good deal. They're JDM as fuck. Hopefully you guys, no, I don't cuss. What the fuck?